think let's start out just what's an overview of Synapse and the capabilities that it possesses?
Mhm.
All right, so Synapse, in a way, it is the next gen analytics platform from Microsoft, right? So if you were to take a typical data platform, you have your data ingestion layer, you have your data transformation layer, then data store, and then finally your data delivery layer. And for each of these areas, we use different sets of tools. And also it is, um, uh, with Azure Synapse, the biggest advantage is that it brings everything into a single workspace, right? So you can have your developers work from the same environment, the engineering team who does the data collection and data processing. Then you can have your data analyst work out of the same environment, and you can also have your data scientist work from the same environment. It just creates this ecosystem for everybody to come and work from a single place. And so the benefits of using Synapse is that you have your Synapse SQL engine, and then you have your Apache Spark engine, where you can either use both on-demand and or predefined workloads within Synapse. And you have your language choices. You can either use SQL, or you can use Python, or you can use .NET, Java, or Scala, or even R to execute all of your workloads. You can execute your workloads in both provisioned and serverless environment. And you get all your management, security, and monitoring and metadata store all out of the box, using Synapse. And it also provides various different connected services, right? You can use Azure Data Catalog, then you can integrate that with Databricks. You can use existing HT Insights, and you can also get machine learning capabilities out of the box. For example, with Synapse, you can integrate or execute machine learning models using T-SQL statements as is without having to, implement separate Spark or, any other additional machine learning workloads. So these things make it easy for everybody to come into the single place and then start working on it. And the benefit of using Synapse, particularly for say data scientists, is that data scientists in the past used to have like a separate workspace, and that is not integrated with the enterprise data warehouse solution. But with Synapse, both of these come together, and data scientists can basically work on, it provides a platform out of the box for them to explore all the files, and at the same time, take those files out of the data lake and then join them seamlessly with the data that's stored within the enterprise data model and run any queries that they need to run. So it provides a lot of capabilities. It just basically assembles all the services that are available in Microsoft Azure under one unit, and seamlessly integrates them to give a unified effect for anyone who wants to consume, access that data for standard workloads or running ML workloads. So